GamerSpike09, or you can call me Spike. I'm kind of feeling helpful today. As you can see, my dad's light switch does not work. Kind of sad to think about. And it goes to the lamp. It also goes pretty much to the whole room. So in order to do this, if you want to do this too, you need a hammer and a screwdriver. And you're going to want to screw out the nails. One by one. And then you're going to want to take this thing off. Then you're going to want to say, okay, you don't have to watch out because
hey, what's up,
you can get
How's
shocked.
it going?
Or you could just pull the chain.
What are you doing?
What
are you doing?
I'm fixing your light switch. What are you
There's
doing?
nothing wrong with the light switch.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out what you're doing.
What are you doing?
What is this nonsense? Shut this stuff off.
Stop, guys. It turns out this light is not broken. But, of course, my silly dad, when he was pulling the chain, he broke the chain. So, I'm going to get revenge and hide it. If you want to see any more of my videos, like, subscribe, turn on the bell.